The Honest Gardener.
Alex loved spending time in the garden with his parents. They taught him how to plant seeds, water the plants, and take care of the garden. Alex enjoyed helping his parents, but he also loved to play and explore the garden on his own. One day, Alex saw a big, juicy strawberry growing in the garden. He knew that it would make a perfect snack, but he also knew that he needed to help his parents with the gardening. So, he decided to take a bite of the strawberry and then get back to work. But as he was eating, he got carried away and ended up eating the whole strawberry. He felt guilty and knew that he had made a mistake. He went to his parents and told them what he had done. His parents listened to him and understood that he was sorry. They told him that it was okay and that everyone makes mistakes sometimes. They also explained that it was important to learn from his mistakes and try to do better next time. Alex felt better and knew that he had learned an important lesson. He helped his parents with the gardening more than ever before, and they were proud of him for working hard and being honest.